How to find page messaging settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find page messaging settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in top corner. Click on it and scroll down until you find the pages. Click on it and now just select your page and then click this icon in top corner and click messaging. And as you see here, you can manage it, and you can manage anything you want, and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.